Hello, welcome to my class. In this video, we are going to discuss question number 4, 5, 6 and 7 from exercise 5.3 from the chapter Arithmetic Progression. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and do like the video if you like my class and share it with your friends. Do not forget to click the bell icon to get notifications also. If you have any doubts, you can ask that as comments. Okay, so let us start now. And the question is, how many terms of the AP 9, 17, 25 etc. should be taken so that their sum is 636? How many terms should be taken so that sum is 636? How many terms means we have to find n. And formula sum is 636. We know the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. And it is given that sum is 636. So this is equal to 636. Now, what is A here? A is first term 9. And what is D here? 17 minus 9, which is equal to 8. Now, we can substitute all these here. N by 2 into 2A means 2 into 9, which is 18 plus n minus 1 into D is 8. So we can write it here. So it is equal to 636. Now we can write this as n by 2 into 18 plus n into 8 is 8n and minus 1 into 8 is minus 8, which is equal to 636. Now n by 2 into the 18 minus 8 is 10 and plus 8n is equal to 636. Now, we can write it as n into 10 plus 8n by 2 is equal to 636. And we can divide these two terms by 2 because this is divided by 2. All these divided by 2. So, we will get n into 5 plus 4n is equal to 636. Now, we can multiply this. 5 into n is 5n and 4n into n is 4n square, and take this to the left hand side. Minus 636 is equal to 0. So, we can write it as 4n square plus 5n minus 636 is equal to 0. This is the general form. We have to write the term with the highest power first, right? So, 4n square plus 5n minus 636 is equal to 0. Now, we can find n by applying quadratic formula. N is equal to minus b minus 5 plus or minus root of b square. B square is 5 square, which is 25 minus 4 into a is 4 here. 4 into c is minus 636 by 2a. 2 into 4, which is 8. So this is equal to minus 5 plus or minus root of 25. Minus into minus is plus. And 636 into 4 into 4 is 16. So multiplying this we will get 6 6 are 36. 3 6 are 18. 18 plus 3 is 21. 6 6 are 36 plus 2 is 38. And 636. So we'll get 10176. 10176 by 8. And that is equal to minus 5 plus or minus root of 10176 plus 25 is 5 plus 6 11, then 1, 2 plus 7 9, 9 plus 1 is 10, then 2 0 1, 10201 by 8, which is equal to minus 5 plus or minus root of 10201 is 101 by 8. So, this is equal to minus 5 plus 101 by 8 and minus 5 minus 101 by 8. Minus 5 plus 101 by 8 is 96 by 8, which is equal to 12. And minus 5 minus 101 by 8 is minus 106 by 8. which is not possible because n cannot be negative. N can only be positive. So here n is equal to 12. We got n as 12. Okay. You can pause the video and write this. Now, fifth question. First term of an AP is 5, last term is 45 and sum is 400. Find the number of terms and common difference. First term is 5, last term is 45 and sum is 400. We have to find number of terms and common difference, that is n and d. So how will we find this? We have a formula, Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l also. So we can directly substitute here. So we have s equal to 400. So we can write it as 400. And we can substitute all these here. N by 2 into 5 plus 45 is equal to 400, which means n by 2 into 50 is equal to 400. So 50 by 2 is 25. So what is n? N is equal to 400 by 25, which is equal to 25 will go in 100 4 times, right? There are 4 25s in 100. So in 400 there will be 4 times 4, right? That is 4 into 4, which is 16. So we got n is equal to 16 and we have to find d also. So n is equal to 16 and how will we find d? We have last term as 45. We can write it as an. An is equal to 45. And we know that a plus n minus 1 into d is an, which is equal to 45. Now we can substitute all these here. 5 plus, we got 10 also, which is 16. 16 minus 1 into d is equal to 45. So 5 plus 15d is equal to 45, which means 15d is equal to 45 minus 5, which is equal to 40. So what is d? D is equal to 40 by 15. 5 is common in both numerator and denominator. So we can divide numerator and denominator by 5. 40 by 5 is 8 and 15 by 5 is 3. So D is equal to 8 by 3. Common difference here is 8 by 3. Okay. Next one. The first and last terms of an AP are 17 and 350 respectively. Last term is 350. Now, if the common difference is 9, D equal to 9. We have to find how many terms are there and their sum. We have to find how many terms are there and their sum. So, N is equal to and sum is equal to. And we have A equal to 17 and L is equal to 350. So, D equal to 9. And to find N, L is equal to 350. So, we can take it as AN. AN is equal to 350. Which means A plus N minus 1 into D is equal to 350. So, A is 17. 17 plus n minus 1 into d is 9. 9 is equal to 350. Which means 9 into n minus 1 is equal to, taking this 17 to the right hand side, we will get 350 minus 17, which is equal to 333. Right? So, 9 into n minus 1 is equal to 333, which means n minus 1 is equal to 333 by 9. 3 nines are 27. So, 33 by 9 is 3 and 6 remainder. Now, 63 by 9 is 7. So, n minus 1 is equal to 37, which means n is equal to 37 plus 1 and that is equal to 38. So, we got n as 38. Now, we have to find Sn. So, S30, we can write Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Or we can write the formula, we can use the formula n by 2 into a plus l. We have this formula also, n by 2 into a plus l. Since l is given and a is there and n we got. So we have 38 by 2, n is 38. So 38 by 2 into 17 plus 350. And what is 38 by 2? It is 19. 19 into 17 plus 350, which is 367. So 19 into 367, and 367 into 19 is 7 nines are 63. 6 nines are 54 plus 6 is 60. 3 nines are 27 plus 6 is 33. Then 367. So we'll get 6973. So sum of 38 terms of this is 6973. Okay. Next one, seventh question. Find the sum of first 22 terms of an AP in which D equal to 7 and 22nd term is 149. We have to find sum of first 22 terms of this AP in which D equal to 7 and 22nd term is 149. So D equal to 7, A22 is equal to 149. And what is AN? AN is equal to A plus, we have to find this, S22. We have AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So A22 is A plus 22 minus 1 into D, which is 21D. So A plus 21D is equal to 149 and D is 7. So A plus 21 into 7 is equal to 149, which means A plus 21 into 7 is 147 is equal to 149. So A is equal to 149 minus 147, which is equal to 2. So we got first term as 2. Now S22 we have to find. S22. We have the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, or Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus n. We can apply this formula here, n by 2 into a plus n, because we have to find S22 and A22 is given as 149, which is the last term. A22 will be the last term because we are taking 22 terms and 22nd term is 149, means last term is 149. So we can apply this formula. So S22 is equal to 22 by 2 into A is 2 and L is 149. So this is equal to 22 by 2 is 11. 11 into 149 plus 2 is 151. And what is 11 into 151? It is 1661. To multiply a number by 11, just write the leftmost and rightmost digits as it is. 1 and 1 is the leftmost and rightmost digit. Then add the intermediate digits together. 1 plus 5 is 6. Then 5 plus 1 is 6. So 1661 is the sum of 22 terms of this AP. Okay. So with this we have completed question number 7 from exercise 5.3 from the chapter Arithmetic Progression, and we will continue with question number 8 in the next video. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and do like the video if you like my class and share it with your friends. Do not forget to click the bell icon to get notifications also. If you have any doubts, you can ask that as comments. Okay, thank you and bye.